Welcome back to the fabulous 95 once again, and today we're going to continue my little NASCAR takeover, like NASCAR related week with another one of the dock racing days, older like 1950s and 40s NASCAR related cars. The new 2021 Jimmy Lugwrench. Now he looks a lot like has a very Shu Todoroki-ish paint scheme. On the back of the cars you get what you can see from Cars 3, Muddy McQueen, Murray Clutchenberg, Jimmy Cables, drummer, Hot Rod Louise Nass, and the racing tractor, which, god dang, I gotta find that. But, yeah. They showed the wrong picture for him, which really annoys me. They should just hire somebody that knows what they're doing or actually figure it out themselves. But anyway, let's get this guy unboxed. Now, as you guys know, I love these guys because of, well, the reason there's a ream hood over there. Anyway, I'll get this guy unboxed. So, let's get to the unboxing of this guy. Just like every other spot car besides the revolting number 300 that they had, I don't remember what his name was exactly, but he has a random sponsor and a bunch of sponsors that are not current in the Piston Cup series. And I love these cars because this is back during a time when aerodynamics really just wasn't a it wasn't a part of NASCAR. Well, of stock car racing in general. But they cover the headlights, which is a trend that all of them have, because headlights are bad. And they also didn't have hubcaps on because it'd slow down a pit stop. 26, Jerry Lugwrench, Aero, I don't even know what your sponsor's supposed to be. It's an oil company. And I also love how they all have, like, where the driver was from. Sunset Lake, North Kakalaka, North Carolina. Clinton, I think that's an O, so it might be Montana, but I don't know. 26, and this is one of those cars that was, in theoretically, would have been really aerodynamic in the back. In the front, not so much. But, hey, who am I to judge? Anyway, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. If you have not already, leave a comment and get your butt back there. Leave a comment, even though my comments will probably be turned off, because you know how YouTube is. And tell me what your favorite part of the video is. I don't even know how many subscribers I'm at. Give me a second. We are at 1.54. Yeah, 1.54. So if we could hit 1.6 by, I want to say just the end of the year at this point, because I know I haven't been uploading recently, but by the end of the year, that'd be awesome. So I'll see you guys in the next video.